Today's topic is life cycle of plants. We see different types of plants in our garden. Few are small, tiny, short, big trees with colorful flowers and fruits. These are different types of plants which are classified into their own categories. Let us learn in detail in the next. So this picture gives us a brief idea about the life cycle of a plant. So what are plants? Plants are the only living species that can manufacture their own foods, and this is mainly because of the presence of specialized structure in the plant cell. Let's discuss the parts of the plant. First comes the root system. A root system is the underground part of the plant's body which constitutes the major part of the plant. Next, the shoot system. The shoot system is the aerial part of the plant which usually develops above the ground level. After that is the stems. Stems are the long supportive axis of plants. Stems might be tender, strong or woody as in trees or thin and green like herbs. After that is the leaves. The leaves are the most crucial part of the shoot system. They are also called as the food factory of the plants. Then the flowers. Flowers are the most colorful part of the plant. It is also called the reproductive part of a plant as it carries the reproductive organs. And the last are the fruits. Fruits are also a part of the shoot system which hold the seeds within them. Fruits are developed from the ovaries in the flowers of the plant. Now let's discuss the classification of plants. The classification of plants is based on three things: based on reproduction, based on their life cycle, and based on their growth habitats. First, based on the reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive system of the plant. The flower of the plant contains the reproductive organs which are required for a plant to reproduce and complete its life cycle. Next is the based on their life cycle. There are different varieties of plants which complete their life cycle within a short period of time, and some take years together. Last, based on their growth habitats. Plants are also classified based on their height and other growing habitats. In this slide, we can see the life cycle of a plant and the flow chart of it. First, the germinating seed absorbs water from the surroundings. After that, the swollen seed pushes the root out from its seed coat. Then, the seedling of the new plant grows into the soil. After that, the new tiny green and tender stems arise and grows towards the sun along with the leaves. After that, as the stems grow, it becomes strong and more leaves and branches are produced. Then the buds are produced in the axil of the leaf or at the tip of a stem, which develops into a flower with colorful petals. And at last, these flowers produce fruits followed with the seeds.